In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing bank transactions into QuickBooks. If you've noticed that a transaction didn't come through automatically from your bank feed, don't worry. This is a common situation, and QuickBooks gives you a couple of simple ways to fix it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to manually enter a missing transaction directly into your bank register, and I'll also mention how to upload transactions from a file if you need to add multiple items at once. To get started, head to the top right corner of QuickBooks and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This area shows all of the accounts connected to your business, including your bank accounts, and it's where you can access the register for the account that's missing a transaction. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the bank account where the transaction is missing. On that same row, click View Register. The register gives you a detailed list of transactions recorded for that specific account, and this is the best place to manually add something that didn't sync properly. At the top left of the register table, click Add. This opens a new line where you can enter the missing transaction manually. Take your time here and make sure the information matches your bank record. You'll want to enter the correct transaction details so your books stay accurate and your account balance reflects what actually happened in the bank. This method is especially useful if you only have one or two missing transactions and want a quick fix without re-importing anything. If you have more than a few transactions missing, there's another option you can use. On the left-hand menu, click Bank Transactions. Then go to the top right area of that screen and click the caret icon. From there, choose the option to upload from file. This allows you to bring in transaction data from a downloaded bank file instead of entering each item one by one. It can save time when you're dealing with several missing entries at once. As a helpful tip, after adding or uploading transactions, it's always a good idea to review them carefully to make sure everything appears in the correct account and matches your bank activity. That way your records stay clean and you avoid duplicates. And that's it. That's how to add missing bank transactions into QuickBooks quickly and easily.